Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi everyone. How are you this day?
Halo, Miss.
Nice.
Okay, we have Lizzie here, Bagas, Nadia, Nessa, and Tim. Yeah. It's nice to meet and to see you this afternoon, guys. Before we start lesson, have you got your lunch before?
Not yet.
Yeah. What happened then? Why don't you take your lunch before joining this meeting?
Dang it.
You don't have time? Too lazy me?
Ya,
Yeah, okay.
super
Okay,
letih now.
today we won't take it too long ya. Kita nggak akan lama-lama. Tapi pastikan sudah siap semua ya untuk pembelajaran hari ini. Sudah siap semua?
Siap.
Insya Allah, Miss.
Insya Allah Risa kayak mau perang ya. Insya Allah gitu. Okay, everyone, today we are going to explore something that's fascinating about Japanese folk tale. Yeah. Ada clue-nya nih, Japanese folk tale. Dongeng dari Indonesia yang judulnya Ande Ande Lumut. Nah, have you ever heard about this story before? Ada yang udah pernah dengar cerita ini belum?
Not
Yeah,
yet.
I even
Oh ya,
have seen one drama.
oke, Sinta juga udah pernah dengar cerita ini.
Saya pernah lakon, Miss.
Ah, sudah pernah main dramanya juga ya. Berarti udah paham ya kira-kira jalan ceritanya gimana ya. Oke, ini Miss kan udah pernah share juga ceritanya ke kalian ya semalam lewat Google Classroom. Tapi ini untuk memandu kita aja. Ini Miss share ya sedikit ceritanya gimana ya. Oke, wait a minute teman-teman. Oke, ya, ini ceritanya ada di sini. Nah, kelihatan nggak? Nah, ini dia ande lumut ya. Jadi kalau yang bacanya belum sampai tuntas ya bisa dibuka lagi Google Docs-nya yang sudah share di Google Classroom tentang ande lumut ya. Ya. Ada pemainnya ada siapa saja, ada kelenting kuning, kelenting apa sama kelenting apa ya. Lalu ada siapa lagi? Ini pemainnya. Sudah ya, teman-teman? Oke, sekarang setelah sudah dibaca ceritanya sebelumnya semalam ya, harusnya sudah dibaca. Sekarang Miss mau tanya sesuatu sama teman-teman semuanya. Teman-teman pernah nggak punya pengalaman harus memilih satu ya hal dari beberapa option yang ada? Have you ever had to choose something between many options? Pernah?
Yes.
Oke, dari Gesi dulu nih. Gesi,
Yes.
Bagas juga pernah. Saya mau nanya Gesi dulu ya. Gesi, what experience that made you have to choose one thing or among many things? Apa nih pengalamannya Mbak Gesi?
Okay, there are some times that I have to choose between many of many things. Just like when I got to pick a dish for breakfast, what would I eat that day? Sometimes it's kind of difficult because there are so many options. Like what if I eat nasgor, or what if I eat some fruits?
Okay.
Like that, ma'am.
Okay. So you are confused what to choose about your meal or dish ya. Why don't
Yeah.
you buy all of them and then you just share with others when you just want to eat a little about it, kayak beli semua aja
Oh,
terus makannya sharing gitu sama teman-temannya. Mungkin itu bisa tuh Mbak Gizi
I'm
dijadiin
sorry, but I got no friends.
I got no friends. Okay, but everyone here is your friend, right? Semuanya di sini bukannya temannya Mbak Gizi semua nih.
I'm hurt.
Yes, ma'am.
Ya, ya yang lain
So they're so far away, ma'am. It's hard.
iya. Ini kita terbentang jarak ya, teman-teman. Oke, Mbak Gizi berarti pernah ya. Next, Mas Bagas. What experience, Mas, that you have and make you have to choose? Mbak Gizi tadi tentang
Sometimes
makanan. Terus
in life-
tentang apa?
in life you have to choose many things. I mean, like it can be food, it can be preference of something, but it may be something harder to choose. We have to choose someone's in
Yeah.
our life, like partner maybe. Yeah.
Yes.
Oke,
Go on, go on.
berarti juga there are so many things ya. It can be hard for us to choose one among many things option that offered. Sekarang saya mau nanya ke Mas Bagas nih karena tadi mengacunya ke samuan gitu ya. Kalau samuan itu mungkin tingkatannya kan lebih tinggi dibandingin milih makanan ya. What qualities do you look for in other? Apakah orang itu harus kayak jadi atau gimana?
Maybe for me, my preference of choosing someone is based on their personality. Yeah, maybe visual important, but personality more important.
Okay. Okay. What kind of personality of someone that you want to look for? I mean, someone-nya harus baik, baiknya tuh suka menabung, Miss, suka memberi ke orang lain, Miss, gak pelit atau gimana? Any specific thing?
Yeah. Like then relative, so I have to see how they treat people. Itu aja sih.
Berarti kebaikannya. Oke, ini agak nge-lag nih Mas Bagas jaringannya mungkin ya. Berarti intinya adalah how they treat people itu berhubungan sama menghargai ya, respect each other ya. Teman-teman pasti udah tahu ya bahwa menghargai orang lain itu salah satu hal yang harus kita terapkan ya. Not only in choosing partner ya teman-teman, menghargai guru, menghargai teman itu juga salah satu hal yang harus kita lakukan ya. Oke, teman-teman. Nah, tadi kan udah baca ceritanya, udah misalnya tanya juga sesuatu tentang pilihan dan apa konsekuensinya gitu ya. Nah, selanjutnya kita akan belajar ya, nggak cuma sama Mia, selanjutnya kita akan move ke Sir Bagas. Oke, silakan Sir Bagas.
Okay, thank you guys. After we learn about the basic of the text with Miss Elmira, we're going to move to the next activities. We're going to look at the social awareness of the story. So we have read the story about Ande Lumut. Do you guys understand completely about the stories or still confused? Okay, some of you has read and understand. So no? Okay. Okay. Let me ask you something guys about the text. Saya akan bertanya sesuatu tentang teks ini. How do you think Klating Kuning felt that she being treated poorly by her stepsister? Jadi bagaimana yang clothing kuning rasakan ketika dia diperlakukan tidak baik oleh saudaranya? Anyone want to answer?
Miss, Sir, Mbak Nadia, Sir.
Okay.
Raise hand.
Okay. Nadia. Go on.
Kuning feels sad and angry because her stepsister treated her poorly, sir.
Okay. So she treated poorly by her stepsister, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, jadi ketika dia diperlakukan dengan baik, there must be a reason. Pasti ada alasannya kan. So, apa motivasi dari saudara dari Kliting itu melakukan hal tersebut? What the motivation behind it? Anyone want to answer? Selain Mbak Nadia?
Me, Sir.
The motivation. Okay.
Okay. The motivation of the stepsisters of Kelenting Kuning
Yeah.
treated poorly by her stepsisters. From the fact that I have read, it's because the stepsisters feel insecure, feel envy, feel jealous about the Kelenting Kuning's appearance, karena Kelenting Kuningnya tuh cantik, Sir. Terus habis itu tuh mereka tuh nggak terima gitu loh, Sir. Kayak apaan sih kamu tuh nggak seharusnya cantik banget kayak gitu. Harusnya tuh kita tuh yang cantik yang jadi pemenang, jadi yang bisa ngambil hatinya pangeran kayak gitu, Sir.
Okay. So, jadi alasannya adalah lebih ke iri dan cemburu ya?
Ya, cemburu.
Okay. So, do you think is that a good thing? I mean, jika kita merasa insecure, kita bisa melakukan hal buruk ke orang lain?
No.
Yeah, no.
Okay, absolutely no, right? Jadi kita harus bisa mengontrol diri ketika kita merasa insecure itu harus bagaimana. Jadi kalau kita merasa kita lebih rendah dari orang lain, bukan berarti kita bisa melakukan hal buruk ke orang lain. Okay, thank you. So after this, we going to the next activities, which is self-management, which Mrs. Risa, please.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Bagas. Okay, setelah tadi, after you read the whole story of Ande Ande Lumut, and then Mr. Bagas have mentioned the beginning part when Ning Kuning treated poorly by her family. Now, I want to ask you, first of all, let's take a closer look at how Kelenting Kuning managed her emotion and stayed true to her principle in this story. When she faced Yuyu Kangkang, instead of compromising like her stepsister, she kept calm and used her wisdom to make a thoughtful decision. And now, imagine you are Kelenting Kuning in that moment, facing tough situation under pressure. How would you manage your emotion to make the best choice? Reflect on a time in your real life when you were under pressure to do something you were uncomfortable with. What did you do to stay true to yourself? Anyone to answer? Or anyone has a same experience? I mean, have a tough situation and under pressure? How you manage it?
Let it go, man. Just let it go.
Yeah, just let it go.
It's hard to let it go something when we are
And
in
then-
under control situation.
Yes, that's
Elmira,
what it
maybe
plus
maybe-
means. It's hard.
Elmira, can you give
I mean, like at the
suggestion
first
with it?
time, Miss, when I am in under control situation, I will be so angry at that time with that person that makes me under pressure. I like that man. But I don't want to say anything. I just giving the expression that like maybe Mbak Nadia
Okay,
wants
Nadia.
to share her experience too.
Thank you, Miss Risa. If I have been treated poorly by someone, I will get her the revenge they deserve. I mean, like, they treat me poorly, I will treat them poorly too.
Clap for the fans.
Oh,
No,
actually,
joking.
tadi Mr. Bagas bilang apa loh, Hayo? Tidak boleh membalas sesuatu yang
Kurang.
but I mean, saya ambil partnya yang ini. Ketika Kelenteng Kuning menghadapi situasi yang berat saat mau menyeberang sungai itu, yang hanya bisa membantu dia kan Yuyu Kang. Yuyu Kang juga minta imbalan. Itu gimana itu? Kalau di situasi real life, kalian ada yang pernah mengalami situasi sulit? Pasti pernah.
Ya, pasti pernah, Miss.
Iya, tenang dulu ya.
Ya,
Tenang
tenang dulu.
be calm. Pikirkan situasi, bukan. Pikirkan solusi terbaik untuk mengatasi. Yang penting tenang dulu, jangan panik.
Oke, Miss.
Oke, ada teman-teman lain ada yang mau menambahkan?
No, Miss. Enough.
No ya, oke. Kita move to relationship skill discussion with Miss Casey. Okay, Miss Casey, time is yours.
Thank you, Miss Risa, for your time. Okay, now we will have a small discussion. Each of you, please have a pair. Risa with someone, Elmira with someone, Nadia with someone. Okay, and please discuss this. What is the moral message of the story? What you can achieve from the story of Andy Loom? Anyone wants to answer? It's about honesty. Okay, Elmira, please.
Yeah, but I don't have any pair, man.
What? Mary man?
Any pair, I don't have any pair. Saya nggak punya pasangan, man.
Oh yeah, you can be alone. That's okay.
Yeah, I'm a single, man.
Oh no, you are with me. That's fine.
No one asked it.
Yeah, Risa wants to talk. What do you think about the moral story, Risa?
I think, yeah, like we have discussed before,
Yeah.
don't treating people bad.
Oh yeah, just like Mr. Bagas said, we have to act good even if our enemy is so bad to us, just like how the sister of Kelenteng Kuning did to her. And after we gain the positive thing, we can achieve something better than what we gained from the last time. Maksudnya ketika kita itu bersabar, ketika diperlakukan seperti itu,
Actually,
ya? I'm sorry, Risa.
No, nothing. Nothing. It's not that important.
Sinta, are you okay?
Sorry.
Are you alright?
Okay.
Okay. And next is, what do you think makes a relationship genuine and healthy based on what you have learned in the text, in the narrative text? It's honesty.
We should have
yeah.
positive. We should have positive thought, positive feeling about something or someone, ma'am.
Okay,
And then
positive
honesty
thinking.
can be one of that. Like kita harus jujur, kita harus baik juga sama orang lain gitu.
Okay, that's it, Elmira. Very good. And what can destroy or make a relationship unhealthy? What do you think? What is it? Dishonest maybe ya. Kalau ada yang jahat gitu kita balik jahatin gitu kan nanti akan membuat hubungan kita semakin tidak baik. Okay. Okay, from the story we'll have learned about what is healthy relationship ya. What is a genuine and healthy relationship is and what is the unhealthy one. Okay, next. For the next session is what is it? Self-awareness, is it right?
Yes.
Okay, please, Miss Sinta, time is yours.
Okay, thank you. All right. We have learned about relationship with Mrs. Gessie. Now, let's learn about self-awareness reflection. I want to ask you about one of the character maybe. Which character do you relate to most? Anyone want to answer this question?
I am the
Yeah, because
Okay, Mrs. Nadia first. Which character do you relate to most?
I am the Kelenteng Kuning.
Okay, why?
Because I usually I feel like the main character of the story, and also sometimes people treat me poorly.
Okay, that's great. Okay, the next question. What would you do differently if you were in their position? Okay, maybe,
Lady,
yeah. If you become Kelenteng Kuning, what would you do?
Maybe one of my friends can help me answer this question. Jessie or Risa or Elmira, maybe.
Okay. Thank you. Anyone want
If I
I'm
became a
sorry,
Kelenteng
Miss.
Kuning,
Yes?
I will run away
Run
from my
away.
family
Run
a
away.
long time ago.
Okay. Anyone have the other?
Why do you just to run away, Risa? You have to face the problem. You don't have
Yes.
any way. You don't
Don't
have
be
any,
a
imagine you don't
coward.
have any way to pass
No,
cross through.
run away to Ande Lumut.
Oh my
But
God.
but if you want to come home, you should cross the river. You cannot push back to the another side. How if that happens?
But
Do you want to
Kelenteng
fly?
Kuning's problem is only her family. And we can't change anyone's character, miss.
Okay.
I mean, how can we deal with
Not
this?
about the fiction thing.
For me, Miss Sinta, I don't relate to the mall because the character that's most related to me is Yuyu Kangkang. So
Why?
I cannot relate because he's majestic. And
Oh, I
it's
think
great.
you like to be kissed.
Yeah.
Wow.
Thank you, Mrs. Jessie. And how about the other? Is it
Willy Kangkang is really relate with
Okay.
really human. I mean, Yuyu Kangkang take and give. It's
Oh
a really
yes,
human
that's it.
behavior.
okay?
Yeah.
Most human thing.
Yeah, really. We cannot
Okay.
just judge someone from one action that bad, yeah, guys.
Okay, thank you, Miss Elmira. Okay, so I think enough for the self-awareness reflection. The next discussion will be delivered by Mrs. Nadia. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Miss Nadia want to ask several questions before we end our class for today. First, Miss Nadia want to know what the moral values can we learn from the story of Yuyu Kangkang? Anyone can help me answer the question? Sinta, maybe?
Maybe we need to trust the other man, like Yuyu Kangkang. If I cannot trust him, after I kiss him, he will run, like Mrs. Sa.
What about Casey? What can you learn from the story?
Me? I'm sorry. Are you mentioning me? What I learned from the story is Clenting is such a patient person.
Sorry,
Yes.
Clenting. Which one
Clenting,
Clenting?
right? She's been bullied by her sister, but she's feeling okay and just being smart.
What
So
about
she
Thank
got Pangeran.
What about Risa? What can you learn from the story?
I like the passion of Clenting Kuning. I can with the story, Miss. I think it's too old and it doesn't relate nowadays. So yeah, what can I take is tadi we cannot treat someone badly.
Okay, so you think that from the story we learned that all of you think that we need to be patient and also we should not treat other people poorly, yeah. And how can we apply this lesson in our daily life? I think as if Mas Nadia sampai sekarang pun nilai-nilai kehidupan seperti itu masih bisa diaplikasikan di kehidupan nyata. And what about you guys think? How can you apply this lesson from Yuyu Kangkang in your daily life? What about Elmira? How can you apply?
How can I apply? Maybe if I am in a trap situation, like nggak punya pilihan lain gitu ya, Miss, selain ya adanya Yuyu Kangkang gitu yang bisa menolong, ya sudah gitu. I will try to bergain untuk menawar gitu ya, apa yang bisa dia kasih ke saya dan apa yang bisa saya kasih ke dia in a good way gitu. Berarti kan itu kan harus ada consent gitu ya, Miss, kesepakatan with two parties, antara dua pihak, antara saya sama orang lain. Nah, di situ kan berarti kita menerapkan prinsip saling menghargai dan komitmen untuk menjalankan kesepakatan yang ada. That's it, ma'am.
Thank you. That's a very good answer. And what about what the character most surprise you? Karakter mana nih yang menurut kalian sangat mengejutkan, yang kalian tuh tidak menyangka-nyangka, loh, kok ternyata seperti itu ya? We can start from Casey, maybe. Can you help me answer the question? What character most surprise you?
What character? I'm sorry, ma'am.
What about the character choice yang bikin Casey tuh seperti kaget sekali dengan pilihan dari
That make me shocked gitu ya. Maybe it's the Clenting Kuning maybe for me. Because she's that smart actually. How to deal with Yuyu Kangkang and how to deal with her sisters.
Okay, but
Usually the victim is always so lemah gitu ya. But Clenting is dealing it very well.
the victim is actually smart. Okay. What about, thank you, Jessie, for the answer. What about Sinta? Do you have any other answer?
No, Miss. I agree with Mrs. Casey because Clenting Kuning is such an amazing person. If I become her, as Miss Risa said before, I will run.
Okay. I think that's enough for today, guys. We already learned so much from today's lesson about Kelenteng Kuning. I hope we can learn, you all guys can learn a lot from this story, from this lesson. And Miss Nadia, hope we can meet again in the next week. I think that's enough for today. Thank you so much for your attention and your participation. You are really, really active for today's class. And see you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
everyone.
Thank you, Miss.
Bye.